Hey guys, if you want to see how I did this, make sure you stay tuned. Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. going to leave it here for now. There's still a lot more cage left to do. I still got to put dash bar, crossbar here. I want to send 2 bars through here, get down inside the seat area. Right? Still got 2 more bars on each side here to do. And I think I'll have to check the pictures, but I think there's a knee bar as well that has to go in. I still got one to go across the back here, right across here. And that's for the seat belt harness. Now I got the tunnel done, I got the seat done, got the dash pretty much done. A few more little things, and of course, like I said, the rest of these bars. Now, this here does fit in here quite nicely. The door bars and everything are sitting in the exact right spots where I need them to. So all of that is good. I just got to put a few more in. And of course my down bars over here. You won't see anything underneath here, so I'm not worried about that. And later on, once I get the rest of it done up front and get this all in, then I can run some bars inside here where there's some from the pictures that I can see. And then we can start making a few other things. So if you like this, make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out, sends out the signal to YouTube saying that, hey, my videos are good, and they'll suggest it to other people, and it just helps me grow. It does me a big favor, and if I'm able to grow, you guys get more videos. So make sure to also subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I post more videos. So in the next video of this, that's what's going to happen. More roll cage bars. Probably start doing some of the firewall and stuff like that in the engine bay. Like I said, I have to cut these off, and then of course some of these roll cage bars here have to come from here, which means I got to smooth this stuff off, but that'll come down to the frame, things like that. We can start getting ready to start fitting in, not so much put in the engine, but this here will be on the stand, things like that. So I'm going to have to detail this up a little bit. The underneath I'm going to do a little bit, but not too much. And other than that, I got to get ready, get the seat ready. I'm going to probably do some wiring and stuff in here just to make it look a little more authentic. I got to check out, I'm not sure if the vent windows are part of the stock cars or not, but I'll check into that. And we can start detailing up the body and stuff. So make sure you check out my links below. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this. If you have any ideas of videos that you'd like to have me do. So until next time, later.